Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Amelia, your go-to guide for all things natural wellness and living a more mindful, toxin-free, and less stressful life. Today, we're diving into one of the most common questions I get. How do I diffuse essential oils correctly? Whether you're a complete beginner or you've been diffusing for years, there are a few mistakes you might be making that could affect the results and even your health. So grab your diffuser, your favorite oils, and maybe a cup of tea, and let's get into it. Section 1. Choosing the right diffuser. Alright, first things first. Not all diffusers are created equal. There are 4 main types. Number 1. Ultrasonic diffusers, most popular. Number 2. Nebulizing diffusers. Number 3. Evaporative diffusers. Number 4. Heat diffusers. Ultrasonic diffusers use water and vibrations to disperse oils into the air. They're great for beginners and double as humidifiers. Nebulizers don't use water or heat. They diffuse pure essential oil and are ideal for therapeutic purposes, but they use oils faster. Evaporative diffusers use a fan to evaporate oil, and heat diffusers use, you guessed it, heat. Pro tip: stay away from heat diffusers if you want to preserve the full therapeutic value of your oils. Heat can break down the properties of the oil. And if you're thinking, but my candle warmer smells amazing, I get it, but you're better off saving that for ambiance, not aromatherapy. Joke number 1. Diffusing essential oils with a candle warmer is like trying to toast bread with a flashlight. Technically possible, but not really effective. Section 2. Using the right amount of oil. This is where most people go wrong. More oil doesn't mean more benefits. For a 100 milliliter diffuser, you only need 3 to 5 drops of essential oil. For 200 to 300 milliliters, go for 5 to 10 drops. And if you're using a 500 milliliter diffuser, 10 to 15 drops max. Using too much oil can actually irritate your lungs, give you headaches, or cause dizziness, especially in small spaces. Joke number 2. If your cat starts floating and your plant passes out, you've probably used too much oil. Scale it back, aromatherapist in training. Section 3. Diffuse in intervals, not all day. This is another biggie. Many people run their diffusers non-stop all day, but that's not actually effective or safe. Experts recommend the 30-30 rule. Diffuse for 30 minutes, then take a 30-minute break. Your body needs time to process and absorb the benefits. Think of it like a workout. You don't run a marathon without a break, unless you're trying to be a superhero. Continuous diffusion can lead to olfactory fatigue. Your nose gets used to the scent, and you stop noticing it, even though it's still in the air. Joke number 3. Your nose isn't ghosting you, it's just on a break. Give it some space. Section 4. Consider the room size and ventilation. A small room with no ventilation. You'll need fewer drops. Large open space. You might need more drops or a stronger diffuser. And always keep windows cracked or airflow moving, especially if you're diffusing around kids, pets, or guests. Also, don't place your diffuser right next to your face or on top of your electronics. Steam plus electricity is not a good combo. Section 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's wrap up with the top mistakes people make and how to fix them. Mistake 1. Using poor quality oils. Always use 100% pure therapeutic grade essential oils. Cheap oils often contain synthetic additives. Mistake 2. Not cleaning your diffuser. Leftover oils and water equals bacteria, mold, and nasty smells. Clean your diffuser every few days or after every few uses with vinegar and warm water. Mistake 3. Diffusing oils that aren't safe for pets or kids. Oils like tea tree, eucalyptus, and peppermint can be harmful to cats and small dogs. Always do your research. Mistake 4. Over-diffusing stimulating oils at night. Oils like rosemary, citrus, and peppermint are energizing, not ideal before bed. Stick to lavender, cedarwood, or chamomile for sleep. Mistake 5. Placing the diffuser too high or too low. Ideal diffuser placement is waist to chest level for best airflow and scent distribution. So there you have it. Now you know how to diffuse essential oils the right way and avoid those common mistakes that can ruin the experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your essential oil-loving friends. And hey, tap that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos about natural wellness, essential oil hacks, and healthy living tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy diffusing!